So today we'll be learning about inequality and equality operators. They also work with booleans and values, which we'll learn in the next video that I'll publish. So in our first video we learn about variables, var, const, and let. We also learn about camel case. This is just a recap for those who don't know. We learned console.log. We learned math.floor, math.random, math.round, and so much more. We learned power notation. Now we can express Googles. Wait, I want to see how big a Google is. Actually, a Googleplex. Oh no, maybe it's just a Google. E plus 100. Jeez. To the power of... Wait, that's that. And then we do to the power of 100. Oh, infinity! Okay, that must be a really big number. But that's all we learn. We're gonna learn a very basic topic today. It's just saying creating the booleans and values. But next we're gonna learn about booleans and values in our next video. This is just something to get you started. So let's say we've got a const for our favorite fruit. Actually a let, because we can always change our favorite fruit. And then I'm gonna name it banana. Next, my friend's fruit. My friend's fruit equals apple. Now, let's see if we both share the same favorite fruit. Const relationship Oh, I didn't do camel case yet. Yeah, so we want our fruit equals friends fruit. Now, we're gonna need add a comment here. And also, but I'll also create a unique this will be inequality. So const uniqueness equals fruit does not equal friends fruit. Now we can display with our cool console.log, then do those. I'm gonna. I have my relationship is. Then we do the $sign. So it's taking a bit longer today. Uniqueness is true, but my uniqueness is $sign. Oh my gosh, where is the $sign? Oh yes. Ship is relationship. My uniqueness is uniqueness. Yeah, here it says, my relationship is false, yet my uniqueness is true. So that's really all you have to do. Okay, in the next video learn about booleans and how it works. Today was just a quick recap and yeah, learning equality and inequality operators. I hope to see you in the next video. See you guys. Bye.